Hello decoders, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be looking into what are the career options after BCA. I sincerely apologize to everyone because I was unable to create video for 2 weeks straight due to my root canal treatment. So this video will be related to career options. It is a highly requested video by BCA students. Now as we all know, BCA is categorized into two types, BCA Science and BBA which stands for BCA Commerce. Now if you want to opt for BCA Science, you must have 11th and 12th science background, whereas if you opt for BBA you can be from any background and still opt for it. Okay, so quickly dive into what you should consider if you are already in BCA. Now we know that BCA consists of 6 semesters for both BCA Science as well as BCA Commerce. Now 6 semester you might have n number of subjects. Did you ever like any of the subject which you have studied? You might have studied C, or you might have studied algorithms, you might have studied computer fundamentals. Now you have to slowly differentiate between what you like and what you do not. Now if you are liking any of the subjects, did you try to build your own projects apart from the academic level projects? Now I understand that projects are to be built in the TY section, or you can call it as your third year. But did it interest you to start building your own project? If not, you should also start with building your project as soon as possible. Okay, so why taking one step ahead is always useful. Now I have already interned in one of the companies and worked for a year. What usually people see is, apart from all your work, what extra thing you have done to achieve your own milestone or your own goals, how you are going to update or upgrade yourself. Now next point is, do you find coding boring? Yeah, many people do, because coding deals with logic. Always going and opening your PC, doing your programs which are in your slips or whichever your teachers has given, well, that would be quite wrong to do so, because coding is not limited only till then. You have to start building projects. No teacher would tell you what is important and what is not, because they are already set in the career. Now you have to find your own career path and own career option, so you have to struggle for it. Now, do you know there are subjects included in the syllabus? Now, why do you think there are n numbers of subjects included? They might have a goal or a mission to accomplish. Now databases is there. Why you should learn databases? Now if you are going to do any sort of project, you are going to deal with lot of data. Now how that data can be stored, how the space can be optimized, you should know about databases as well. Now C is there, C++ is there, Python is there. You should be able to differentiate between what is a scripting language and what is a normal programming language. Yes, required to become according to your job profile. Now, what are different companies? Now, there are different companies which come into picture. One is product based and one is service based company. Now, there is a huge difference between the packages both of them provide. Now, product based companies are those which have their own products, and service based companies are those which provide some sort of services to the different companies which are required. For example, product based company can be Google. Yes, Microsoft, because they have their own products. Like Microsoft has their own operating system. Google has a lot of products, mobile phones of their own. So these are known as product based company. Now package can vary accordingly. Now Google can have 24 lakhs per annum, or service based company will have 2.4 lakhs per annum. Now you see one decimal been shifted ahead, so that is a massive difference. Now to get into a product based company, you would have to really work hard. Okay, so where do we lack? In BCA and engineering colleges, usually you'll be sitting for an interview with engineering people. Now where do you lack? How you can bridge the gap between them? We'll be covering up all these sessions slowly in this kind of series. Okay, how you have to upgrade yourself, knowing what you are interested into. First of all, you can't kickstart off with anything whatever is in your hand. You have to know what you are interested into. If you do not know, start building small project with small modules, and then you'll gradually get to know what you are actually interested into. Now, doing something out of the box, as I always suggest to all my students, that whenever it comes about projects, never do something which is monotonous. Always go for something which is new, which is creative. Use your brains so that you can build something new instead of going through the old projects. Okay, take one step ahead by thinking and creating something new, adding some new feature which is what world is already using. At least try to replicate it. Next is honing your skill. Now, if you have a skill, like for example, if you're good at algorithms, or if you're good at C, if you're good at HTML, so take one step ahead and try to build your skill slowly. How? For example, if you're good at HTML, so try to be good at HTML5. If you're good at CSS, try to get into CSS3. What are the key features? Try to learn them and implement them. Implementing is a key role where you will learn a lot of things, where errors also will come and you have to resolve them by yourself. Okay, that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. If you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe, and whatever the description will be linked below. Thank you, decoders.